Hi team. Today we'll look into the Transact ERP. So before we start off with the ERP, I just want to talk about what are the key reasons why we want to use this ERP and what are the primary motives for using the same. So the first and the most fundamental thing, the reason why we want to use this ERP is because of inventory management. So that is getting real-time stock data. So at any point of time, we should be able to tell what is the stock that we have, of FG, of raw materials and everything. And we should also be able to understand what are the things that we are not maintaining the minimum stock that is required, and what are the items that we are overstocking. So things like that. Second reason being to have control over the material usage. So right now, currently we don't follow an allotment process, and hence we end up misusing a lot of materials. So tomorrow, once we use Transact ERP, we will be going to an allocation based system, wherein we will be only allocating materials as per the bill of materials. So by doing so, we will prevent the material wastage, and we will also have a better understanding of the actual bill of materials of our products. So the third reason being production workflow and tracking. So basically this means to know the daily production data and weekly and monthly data. That is one. And also track the status of open processes, like what are the states of the open processes, how have they completed, or are they just still in work in progress, all that information. And the fourth reason why we want to actually have this module is basically to track our open POs. So there are a lot of times when we order materials with our vendors, and they would have given us maybe half of the PO or maybe 3 by 4th of the PO, and we lose track of that information. So by having this system in place, this will tell us ki, let's say we have ordered 1,000 meters of fabric, and we have received 750 meters. So you will get the information that 250 meters is still pending from them, just like that, from the system. So that is one key reason why we want to go and shift to this particular ERP. And coming to the sales side of it, the same reason. Let's say we are the supplier in this case, and the client has ordered 1,000 recliners, and we have only supplied 750 of them. So we also need a centralized portal where we can see what are the pending orders that we have to dispatch. So for that reason as well, this is a system that will help us give us proper reports of the same, and hence we want to use the ERP for that reason. And coming to the next part is document driven management. So right now all our interdepartment communications are happening through WhatsApp or through call. So all of them are happening in a very unprofessional manner. So once we have this product in place, so there will be every single communication can be a document based communication. So that is another key reason why we want to use this product. And last, and the reason being data and business intelligence driven management. So every department, how they're performing, and how they're performing over monthly or weekly, all this information will be automatically captured in the ERP. So once we run the whole ERP system, all this data will be automatically captured, and it's easy for us to make sense out of it from once it is captured. So these are the key reasons why we are starting with ERP. And in the following videos, I'll take you through the whole process.